My friends, in last 12 hours, all crypto market is comfortable and every coin will starting moving upward. All currency, my friend. But Shiba Inu is one of the fastest and they will make record. They will get 30% profit in last 12 hours. Can you believe this, my friend? Absolutely, it is unbelievable. Get a profit. But this time SLP, if we talk about the SLP, my friends, to SLP just can only get 0.08% profit. Because if we check out the last 24 hours, so in last 24 hours minus 1.84%, the price is dumps down. So that's mean, my friends, to SLP price will very badly falls down, but urgently suddenly, my friend, when they will starting moving upward, so they will all change negative changing occur change into positive, and my friends, they will completely on the profit. So therefore it's really good news, my friends, for all my viewers, my subscribers, to after a very long time, my friends, SLP price will starting pumping, increasing and go to the moon. So my friends, holders, please, you will need to hold down if you are starting holding. So I'm 100% sure, my friends, to SLP price will be increasing. Oh my goodness, as you can see here in last 12 hours, my friends, in the start of video when I see, my friends, to the price will increasing, but this time they will urgently starting fails down. So therefore you can see the direction is again moving in downward direction. You can see here after this pump they will fail us down. So remember, this is temporary pumps and dumps, don't panic. But my friend, in this time all crypto market is comfortable, so I hope, my friends, to SLP price will be increasing now. Alright, so thank you so much SLP coin holders. My prediction is 100% going positive. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time SLP price will increase, but if they will also decrease now, so don't worry, you will need to invest for a long time and hold it. I hope, my friends, in upcoming time SLP price will pumps up and give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching SLP coin holders. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. I hope, my friends, to in upcoming time the price will more increase and give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz. Take care.